Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious coleslaw sandwich at home. First, let's talk about your bread. Selecting the right foundation is key. Opt for something fresh and soft, like a brioche bun or a classic white bread. For an extra layer of flavor and a delightful crunch, you might want to lightly toast your bread. This simple step truly elevates the entire sandwich, making it more satisfying and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the coleslaw. For an easy method, grab a bag of pre-shredded cabbage and carrots. In a separate bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This creates a creamy, tangy dressing. Combine the dressing with your shredded vegetables, then season with salt and black pepper to your liking, ensuring a perfectly balanced taste. Now for the exciting part, assembling your coleslaw sandwich. Take 1 slice of your prepared bread and spread a generous, even layer of your freshly made coleslaw. Don't be shy, this is where the flavor truly shines. If you like, you can add some optional ingredients, such as a few sliced pickles for extra tang, or even a thin slice of cooked turkey or ham. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top, pressing down gently to secure everything in place. Your delicious homemade coleslaw sandwich is now ready. For easier handling and a more appealing presentation, I recommend cutting the sandwich in half, either diagonally or straight down the middle. It's best to serve this sandwich immediately to fully appreciate the crispness of the coleslaw and the freshness of the bread. Pair it with a side of crunchy potato chips or a light green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.